Hey guys, it's Kirby Kwan Jr. for Crunch TV, and we're back here at Fan Expo 2021 Limited Edition right here in Toronto, Ontario. And I bumped into supposedly the most annoying member of the Justice League, Booster Gold, straight from the future. So tell us, man, how you enjoying the convention so far?
You know what? It's a little bit different this year, but it's so nice to get out and do this and be around people again. It's unbelievable dressing up. But you know what? Overall, it's a really good experience. They're doing the best they can, and considering the circumstances, and it's going well. I think it's going really well.
So tell us about your costume.
So this is Booster Gold, and it's just a suit, you know, ordered overseas online. I got a muscle suit under it, and then I had the cowl specially made. You got the glasses, and it's a character. He's a goofy character. He's a goofball. I'm a goofball, and he's just fun. He's a fun character, and you don't see a lot of him. You don't see the guy. So I'm boosting the booster this weekend.
Oh yeah, make sure to check out the Justice League episode, The Greatest Story Never Told. Dope episode about Booster Gold.
Absolutely, and he's got a new series now on Comics Blue and Gold, and I have the first two, and yeah, they're fun. It's fun. I have a Blue Beetle. One of my friends I got a Blue Beetle that's coming, but Messiah Complex Cosplay on Instagram, and he's gonna do, but he's not quite done yet. But we're gonna rock the Blue Beetle and Booster Gold coming soon.
Can't wait to see this. Definitely looking forward to it.
Okay.
So in that case, could you tell us, like, what do you think is the most important piece of like advice you can give to like a newcomer to our craft of cosplay?
Have fun. Do what you love. Follow your passion. Do what you love. It's a progression, and just do it. I started with very basic costumes and moved up from there. My Instagram is Medieval Madlove. My wife couldn't make it, but I'm going to come out anyway. She had something come up last minute. We do some Harley. We do some Batman. We do some Rick Flag, and this is the booster I'm doing today. So yeah, check it out. And like I said, it's just have fun and do it. Just buy a costume. Just buy one. That's where it all starts. Just buy, whether it's Spirit, whether it's overseas, whether it's just buy one. Do it, dress up, because when you dress up at these conventions, it's a million times more fun, and that's where it grows, right? So just do it.
Just do it. One place where you can literally not be yourself.
Absolutely, and you lose yourself, and thank God that they had one finally, because I think all the people needed this. We need this sort of stuff right now. We need this, and thank goodness. So yeah, sorry I talked too much.
Just tell the viewers where they can find you on social media.
Oh, it's Medieval Madlove, and check out it's on Instagram, and check out it's like my wife and I, and she does a Harley, and I do all kinds of different stuff. She does some Silk Spectre. She's fantastic, but like I said, she couldn't make it today or this weekend, but so that's where we're at.
Sweet.
Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, thank you guys. Right on.
Crunch TV. You can dream it, you can make it, you can become it. Have a good day, guys.
Awesome.